What up, what up, what up? We got a 2013 Chevy Equinox. And we're doing these headlight assemblies. I guess the customer feels like they are a little too hot, cloudy, hazy. Now you could really just buff these out. You know what I'm saying? The customer decided to buy some new ones. So in order to get these out, you got a push pin. You got to take out the bumper. I'm gonna show you a quick and easy way to do it. You got a push pin here. You got a 7mm here, 7mm there. Then you got something right there. It's a bolt there. You got one right here on the side. So that's the reason why you got to take off the whole bumper, so you can get to this and that. Okay. So on the vehicle it looks like this. There's your 7mm right there, 7mm right there, push pin right there. Now to get the bumper off, on both sides, you got a 7mm right up here. Inside there is a 7mm. Oh no, that's a Torx. So on this one it's a Torx T20, I think. But those are 7. That's a 7mm. That's a push pin. Push pin. You don't have to take all of that off. Just take this one off. And then you got stuff on the bottom, which we're not gonna do. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. We're just gonna hang the bumper. And then you got T20s right here. What the? Oh, T20s right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, another push pin. Same thing over here. You got your two 7mm. Looks like this one is busted. Well, that's where it's gonna be right there. One right there. But this assembly's busted, so I guess that's why they're replacing it. Same thing over here. It's probably. See what they got. Yeah, T20. Let's see, this one got a bolt. This is definitely not factory shit. Alright, we'll figure it out. Alright, so we just don't take all this stuff off. We're just not going to take off the stuff on the bottom. And I'm going to show you, we're just going to hang it. Okay? So really, the only reason that you're taking off this bumper, or it says to remove the bumper, is for that 7mm right there. Let's see. Sorry about that. That 7mm right there, inside that hole. Not that 10mm right there, but the 7 on top. So you just pull this back. You see, I left the stuff on the bottom. I didn't disconnect it. You'll take out that 7 right there, and then that's the whole reason that you do this bumper shit, is for that 7 right there. That right there, that's a 10mm. It's on both sides. So you gotta take out that 10mm, get you a long extension with a 10mm socket on the end, and then come over here too. Go inside that hole, take out that 7. And these babies will come out. So last step on these things is just unplug. You gotta pull this clip back right here, slide it that way, press the tab. That's it. Now I see why they are doing this. This shit right here is crumbling to pieces. Yeah. Wow. Hold still. Okay, we're having technical difficulties. Wow. Okay. All right. So, anyways, you know what we got to do. I'm gonna manhandle the shit out of this, while you're not looking. This shit's all tore the fuck up. Okay. But that's it though. And so when you're putting it back, slide it in there. Yeah, I'll show you. You know what I'm saying? All you gotta do is put that back in there. You don't have to put that 7 in there. You know what I'm saying? So in the future, if you want to do this job really quick, you got a 10mm right there. You're going to put in a 7, and that push pin. You can leave that 7mm out and make this job a piece of cake, in the future, if you want to. You know what I'm saying? Just plug it up, leave that 7 out, put in that 10, that 7, and that push pin, and that'll, secure your headlight. It's not going to move. But that's up to you though, So thanks for watching the video. You ain't got to take out all them bolts on the bottom. You don't have to remove the whole bumper. You see I got both of them out. You know, they both come out, and the bumper's still on there. You just gotta pull it forward a little bit so you can get that 7 on the side. That's it. All right, thanks for watching the video. Peace. If you want these pro tips, see how to do it the quick and easy way. Everybody else telling y'all how to do it the hard way. See, we can do this job one of two ways. We can do this the easy way, or we can do this the hard way. The choice is yours.